welcome. I'm Max Wolf and today we're heading into London, into New Malden actually, which is within the ULEZ zone. Thankfully this is exempt. I know, tell me about it. We're going over to Krispy Kreme's for the show this morning, so let's go and have a look what's there. We have David here. Would you like to introduce the video?
Hello video, yeah, good morning everyone. I'm standing by Max Wolf's camera and here we are at Krispy Kreme, November. It is November, isn't it?
Yeah.
The sun is out. It rained for 10 minutes earlier, but the sun is out. So are lots of people, although Perry is just heading off in the Cadillac. Yeah, come on down. It's only, what's the time? 10:30?
Still early.
It's still early. Loads of parking spaces, loads of donuts. And
yeah, lots of people.
And lots of people. Everyone you know is here. See you soon.
I better start to walk around wherever it goes. I'll catch you in a minute. Hey! And so as you saw at the start, Mopar is here. Mopar is running well. And Mopar has some friends today. So we'll take a little walk around and show you what's here. Some very nice cars showed up. Great little meeting this is. It did rain earlier, but thankfully it is now very sunny. Completely revamped it. It is lovely, isn't it? And I now have the joys of trying to cross this road, which as I've said before, is a right pain to do. So I'll cut the video because this is going to take ages. And I managed to make it across. And we're here with the big motors, it looks like. Wouldn't mind one of these one day. I probably should have used the microphone because this is a very windy day. As you can see though, a bit of a more quiet meeting this morning. But still some great stuff.
I come down here.
The windows down the side as well, so let's see if we can have a look. Yeah. See, my phone is running out of battery, so I'm going to have to try and keep this quick. one of the craziest cars you're going to see here today. Corvette come in, so I'll get that in.
What's your next drive, boys?
Have a look and see if there's anything else pulled up. There's a McLaren goes by. I am not interested in this down here. I'll take this over the McLaren any day. I'll take the black one down here over the McLaren any day. So since I am running out of battery, I'm just going to shoot around, film the last couple of cars that I haven't got. The phone's literally about to die. Thankfully, Mopar does have a charger in it, which I discovered under the radio. But this has turned out to be quite a good beat this morning. And now I've got to try and wait to get back across the road again. Yeah, it is very busy here. Always cars on the move. But then that's what you get for being basically in central London. And we got another one turning up. So let's finish this up and get round. And so I think that's been everything here this morning. And so although I'm not finishing the video here, well, this will be the end of the video, but hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually in here so there's no wind. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and leave a like if you enjoyed. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Beep beep.